Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome back to my channel. I'm now in the train station and waiting for the train. Already head to cram school for the first class at 1 o'clock. And you can see that the beach is really is really awesome and beautiful. You can see the seabirds right there. Wow. Oh, up there we can see the wonderful weather. I mean, it's still kind of like hot, right? But near the mountains, I mean, in Dongye village, it's kind of like it's raining. It is also raining, but it was a little bit cold. Oh, that's pretty much all. Pretty much terrible. And for the policies in Taiwan, we still want to wear the mask, and you can see the whole equipment on my body and my mask and the hat. It's kind of cold, a little bit cold, and the way the broadcast said we were dropping. I mean, we're dropping 10 degree. Yeah, 10 degree. It's awful. Later on I gotta wear my rain pants. I mean, and to keep warm in case that just don't let me be sick. Okay, Chris from Motorchi. Oh, guys, 我是 Chris。现在要去上课，准备1点的课。然后这是坐火车的第3天。然后你可以看到，哦，see that beach is kind of like this one. OK， 有点看不到。然后我的背后下雨，等会这里一直下雨，天哪，太扯，太夸张。然后希望一切都能够顺利。You see that？ 那里就是很多 tracks， 就是所谓的苏瓦改。我一直在想苏瓦改这一段这一块为什么不能？为什么？它既不是高速公路，也不是快速道路，然后一直禁止机车。其实这个议题基本上已经延续好多年了。其实，台湾政府在2012年就已经开放大型重机可在高速公路行驶，但是中央传给地方，在有的地方去做一个发布，那地方上有地方上的考量，所以就造成许多许多大型重机骑士的一些反应以及声音的产生。那至于会不会开放？ We don't know because this is Taiwan, right? Oh my god. Okay. All good. 待会见，上了火车再说了，拜拜。